Welcome, job seekers. It's fantastic that you're here, focused on sharpening your interview skills. The job market, especially here in Chennai and across India, is dynamic and constantly evolving. As VSK Business Consultant for Job Recruiting in Chennai, our aim is to equip you with the most effective strategies to truly shine in your upcoming interviews. Before we dive into those crucial tips, make sure you're connected with us across all our platforms. Don't miss out on valuable content, live Q&A sessions, and job market insights. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth tutorials and expert advice. Follow our WhatsApp channel for instant updates and exclusive tips directly to your phone. Like our Facebook page to join our community and engage with fellow job seekers. Follow us on Instagram for quick tips, motivational content, and behind-the-scenes looks. Visit our website, www.vsbusinessconsultant.in for comprehensive resources, courses, and job-related information. Now, let's get into those essential strategies to help you ace your next interview. Please note, the following 14 tips for interview success are provided for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and are not intended for any other use. Given it's July 2025, here are 14 vital tips, focusing on general knowledge for interview success, applicable to any job seeker. 14 essential interview tips for job seekers, general knowledge for interview success in 2025. Current trends to keep in mind, July 2025, India and Chennai context. 1. Digital fluency. Basic digital literacy is now a baseline expectation in almost every role. 2. Soft skills supremacy. Communication, teamwork, problem solving, and adaptability are highly valued across all sectors and job types. 3. Awareness of current affairs. Being generally informed about industry trends and current events, especially those impacting Chennai or India, can demonstrate your broader awareness. 4. Virtual readiness. Proficiency in online communication and virtual meeting etiquette is non-negotiable, as virtual interviews remain a standard. The 14 tips before the interview. 5. Grasp company's core and ethos. Understand the organization's primary activities, main offerings, and fundamental mission. Familiarize yourself with their publicly stated values or culture, e.g., innovation, customer focus, sustainability, to align your responses. 6. Decipher roles' fundamental needs. Thoroughly read the job description to identify core responsibilities and essential skills. Consider how your general capabilities, e.g., organization, rapid learning, collaboration, align and how you can contribute. 7. Craft a concise self-introduction. Prepare a brief 30 to 60 second summary of your relevant academic background, key experiences, and what you seek in a new position. Emphasize what makes you a good general fit for professional environments. 8. Practice common Q&A scenarios. Be ready for standard interview questions such as, what are your strengths, weaknesses? Why are you interested in this role? Where do you envision yourself in 5 years? How do you manage pressure? Draw on general examples from your studies, casual work, or volunteer efforts to illustrate these qualities. 9. Formulate insightful questions for interviewers. Always have 2 to 3 well thought out questions prepared for the interviewers. This shows engagement and foresight. Examples. What's a typical day like in this role? What learning and growth opportunities are available here? What do you most enjoy about working for this company? 10. Ensure professional presentation. Dress smartly and neatly. For both virtual and in-person interviews, aim for a professional appearance. Business casual or formal is usually safe. Ensure proper grooming and a tidy hairstyle. Verify interview logistics. For virtual interviews, test your internet connection, audio, and video equipment well in advance. Select a quiet, well-lit space with a neutral background, free from distractions. For in-person interviews, especially in Chennai, plan your travel to arrive 10 to 15 minutes early, allowing ample time for local traffic conditions. During the interview. 11. Create a positive initial impression. Begin with a polite greeting and a confident smile. Maintain good eye contact, looking directly into the camera for virtual interviews. Be courteous and respectful to everyone you encounter, from front desk staff to the interview panel. 12. Engage actively and respond clearly. Listen carefully to each question. If anything is unclear, politely ask for clarification. Answer directly and avoid unnecessary rambling. Be concise and use specific, relevant examples where appropriate. 13. Highlight adaptability and learning aptitude. Share instances where you've quickly acquired new skills or successfully adjusted to novel situations or changes. Express your eagerness to continuously learn new knowledge, embrace emerging technologies, and contribute positively to team evolution. Exhibit strong communication and interpersonal skills. Speak clearly, articulately, and with appropriate volume and tone. Demonstrate your ability to collaborate effectively with others, handle diverse perspectives respectfully, and express your ideas lucidly. 14. Be genuine and truthful. Present your authentic self. Recruiters value honesty and a good cultural fit. Never fabricate experiences or overstate your skills. If you don't know an answer, it's acceptable to admit it, followed by your willingness to learn or how you would go about finding the information. After the interview, send a timely, personalized thank you note. Dispatch a polite thank you email to each interviewer within 24 hours of the interview. Briefly reiterate your strong interest in the position and express gratitude for their time and insights. If possible, reference a specific point discussed to make the note more personal. Conduct strategic and courteous follow-up, if necessary. If you haven't received a response by the specified time frame, a single, polite follow-up email after approximately 1 week is generally acceptable. Avoid being overly persistent. Remember, every interview is a chance to learn and grow. Focus on presenting yourself as a capable, enthusiastic, and adaptable individual, and you'll significantly increase your chances of success. Good luck with your job search.